I'm Kendall with the Renos for Pros and Joes YouTube channel, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at the HALO model HLB6 6-inch ultra-thin canless downlight. And as we go through our unboxing today, we're also going to cover the specs on this unit. Before we get started, I do want to mention that you can purchase this fixture as singles or in multi-packs of 4 or 6. Let's go ahead and get started with our unboxing. This is a 6-inch canless fixture, which is rated for direct contact with insulation and is also wet rated, meaning that it can be used in a shower enclosure and can also be used on the exterior of a property as a soffit light. Now, as we take it out of the box here, you can see the things that it comes with. We have a template here that can be used to trace out the locations on the ceiling where you want to install the light fixture, and to make sure that you're going to be cutting out a hole that is the appropriate size for the fixture. The fixture here comes with a mounting bracket as well as screws for that bracket. Here's our bracket here, and these are the screws that are installed with it. We have a repositionable driver junction box, so this will allow you to install this fixture without having a junction box in the ceiling or in the attic currently. And this is the wafer portion of the light. This fixture also has 5 different color temperatures: 5,000, 4,000, 3,500, 3,000, and 2,700, and you change those color temperatures simply by clicking the switch here up to the desired color temperature. And if we flip open our clamp here on the side of our driver junction box here, you can see our wiring. We've got quick connects here for our white and black wires as well as for our bare copper wires. As you can see that each one of these quick connect has 3 unused locations, which will allow you to connect multiple lights together for a daisy chain. And if we look in the back of our box here, you can see that we have locations for screws that can be used to attach the junction box directly to framing. And we've got our bracket here that would be mounted here on the rear side and allow you to do something very similar here with screws on the front and back here. So you've got more than one mounting option. This fixture is 2 separate pieces. And if we look here, you can see that we can unscrew this piece and separate these 2. So you can install this portion if necessary in the attic or in the ceiling first, as long as you've got access to be able to make your connection here. So you can stand on your ladder inside of your finished space and then make your connection here. And then once you've got that connection completed, then you can remove your packing here. And then you would simply bend your braces up like this and then slide it up into position in the ceiling, and then these 2 braces here are what holds the fixture snugly in place. This fixture has a maximum brightness of 1032 lumens and is designed to replace a 75-watt incandescent lamp. It has an overall lifespan of 50,000 hours and is dimmable down to 5% of the fixture's overall brightness. It's also wet rated, meaning that it can be used in a shower enclosure or on the exterior of a property as a soffit light. It's also a canless fixture that is rated for direct contact with insulation, meaning it is suitable to be used in a ceiling or in an attic where insulation is present. And this fixture is also great for new construction where you don't have any existing lights in the ceiling, or in a renovation project where you're going to be removing existing remodel cans and installing this type of canless fixture in its place. Hopefully you found this video helpful and informative, and I'll see you on the next one.